Good evening, children. In the last class, we discussed about list and different properties of list. In this class, I will discuss different functions of list. Okay. So the first function of list is append. First function is append. Okay. So append is a library function provided with list. This function add an item at the end of list. Whatever we give here in append, that item will be added in the list at last. Suppose L is a list which has 2, 3, 9, and if I say L dot append 5, so this 5 will be added at the last of the list. So the list will be 2, 3, 9 and 5. Okay, whatever I add here, whatever I add here, that will be treated as one element and that will be added here. Suppose if I add a list here, suppose I add L1 that has A comma B. Now this is a list and I say L dot append L1. So what will happen? L1 is treated as one item. Okay, so the list will like this. L, so the list will like this: 2, 3, 9, comma 5, and then A and B as a one element. Okay, so this is my append function. Our next function is extend. The next function is extend. This function is also add the item at the end of list, but this function is used to add a list to add with another list. Suppose if L1 is a list which has 2, 3 and L2 is a list which has 6, 7. So if I write L1 dot extend L2, so now L1 will become 2, 3, 6, 7. So now these two functions we will see practically. So first is append function. Now suppose L equal to 2, 3. Okay. Now I write L dot append 9. So what will happen? 9 will be added in the last. Suppose L is equal to, again L is equal to 2, 3, and there is another list B which has 6, 7. And if I say L dot append B, so now B is a list but it will be treated as a single element. Okay, so you can see 6 and 7 is added as a single element at the last of the list. Now the next function is extend function. Suppose L is a list which has L 2, 3. Okay, now B is a list which has 6, 7. I copy this list here, Control C, and now B is a list. Now I write L dot extend L dot extend. Suppose here B. Okay, so what will happen? Now you see the difference. So extend is used to extend the same list. 6 and 7 are treated as individual element of the list, not a single element of the list. So this is the difference between extend and append. Okay, So our next function is length. So length is a very common function. We use this function at many places. Length is used to find the length of any to find the length of any yes, to find the length of any list. Suppose L equal to 2 comma 3. So if I found the length of L, so length of L will, this will print 2. So this is a simple function which returns an integer. It counts the element in the list and returns its length. The next function is index function. Index. What this function will do, this index function will return the index of an element. If I want to search in an element in the list, it will return the index of that element. Suppose L is a list which has 2, 3, 5, 9, 5. Okay. And if I say L dot index of 5. So you see here 5 is at which place? 0, 1, 2. So 5 is at 2 place, 3, 4. It is on 2 and it is on 4 also. So it will take the first index. So the output will be, so we will get 2 here. Okay. So index function. Just see this thing practically. Suppose L is a list. L equal to 2, 3, 6, 3. Okay, so now length of L, we will see here length of L, the first function length of L. So what we will get? 4 here because it has 4 elements. Now the next function is index. L dot index. L dot index, if I say I want to know the index of 3, so what it will return? It will return you 1 because 3 is at the index 1. The index of 0, the index of 2 is 0 and the index of 1 is 3. Okay, now next function is insert function. So the insert function, as the name suggests, the what insert function will do? Insert function will add a item at a specific position in the list. Suppose L is a list 2, 3, 9. And if I want to insert some element, this is at 0 position, 1 position, at 2 position. And suppose if I want to add one element at 0 position, so how I will write here? L dot insert, L dot insert 0 comma 5. That means at index 0 I want to insert 5. So now the list will, now the L will 5, 2, 3, 9. So what the function will do? Function will insert 5 at 0 position and shift the other elements backward. Okay. So this is our insert function. The next function is count. Count function. Count function counts the occurrence of any element. Suppose if I give here 3, मैंने यहाँ 3 दिया, so ये 3 किसी लिस्ट में कितने बार आया है उसको काउंट करके हमारा फंक्शन वैल्यू को रिटर्न कर देगा. सपोज L इक्वल टू 2, 3, 9, 3. So you can see here 3 is 2 times here. So if I say L dot count 3, so it will return you 2. Let's see these functions practically also. Suppose the first function is L equal to, suppose the list is 2, 3, 9. Okay, comma 3. So what is our first function? So what was अपना हमारा first function क्या है? So the first function is insert. Okay, so let's see insert function. So this is my list. Now suppose if I want to insert 0, at 0 position I want to insert 8. So how we will write? L dot insert 0 comma 8. So at 0 position, I want to insert 8. Just see what will happen. So now 0 is inserted at place 0 and other elements are shifted. Okay. So you can insert the element at any place in your list. The next function is count function. Suppose this is my list. I copy this list from here. Okay. Now suppose this is my list and I want to count 3. L dot count 3. Okay. So what will happen? It will return you 2. So very simple function, insert and count. Now next function is remove. Remove means delete the element from the list. That is our remove function. Next function is remove. Just see, remove. So remove function will remove an element from the list. If I say from a list remove 3, so it will remove 3. Okay. Hi, yes or no? So suppose I have a list that has 2, 3, 9, suppose, and I say L dot remove 3. So it will remove 3. My list will have 2 comma 9. So this is my remove function. Okay. Now we have one more function here, clear. So what clear function will do? Clear function will remove all the elements from the list. So you will get a empty list here. Suppose if I say L dot remove L dot, suppose clear function, L dot clear. So what this function will do? It will remove all the elements. So now nothing is in L, so you will get a empty list here. Just see this function practically. Okay. So I say L is a list, L equal to L equal to L equal to suppose this L dot remove L dot remove what I want to remove here 3. So it will remove 3. Just see. So what first occurrence will be removed. Okay. Now L dot clear. L dot clear. So it will remove all the elements from the list. Now what we have in L? There is nothing in L. So these are two more functions, remove and clear, that are used to remove the element from the list. Okay. So clear will remove all the elements. On the other hand, remove function will remove a single element. Okay. Now we have one more function, pop. Just see pop function. Pop. What pop function will do? Pop function removes an element from a particular position. If you give index here, so it will remove the element from that index. Suppose L equal to 2, 3, 9, 5. And if I say L dot pop L dot pop 1. So that means what we have at 0 position, 1 position, 3, 2, 3. So we have 3 at 1 position. So it will remove 3 and it will display also. Okay, just see. So it will remove 3. So 3 will be displayed and our list will have 2, 9, 5. Remaining elements will here. Okay. If I write nothing in argument with pop function, if I give nothing here, so it will remove the last element. Okay. So suppose a list is 2, 3, 2, 3, 9, comma 5. Okay. So if I say L dot pop only. So I am giving no position. हम यहाँ पे कोई पोजीशन नहीं दे रहे हैं. So last element will be removed. So the list will, so 5 will be removed. This will be removed and displayed, and the list will have 2, 3 and 9. Clear? So this is my pop function. And another function is copy. Copy function, what copy function will do? Copy function copy a list to another list. Okay. Suppose L has 2 comma 3 and I say L dot copy. So it will create a copy and I want to store in new L. So what we will have in new L? Same element. So new L will have 2 comma 3. So with the help of one list, I have created another list. Just see these two functions, pop and removed from the examples. Okay. Just see, suppose my list has, okay, this is my list. Now I write L dot pop. Nothing, no argument, no position I have given in this example. So last element will be removed. So you see here what I'll have 2, 3, 9. This last element has removed. Okay. If I give the position, then the element of that position will be removed. Suppose L dot pop pop and I write here from 0 position. So what we have at 0 position? We have 2 at 0 position. So 0 will be, so 2 will be removed. Now see what we have in L. Okay, so this is my pop function. Suppose this is my list. Now we see the copy function. Suppose this is my list. Again, I copy it here. I say new L equal to L dot copy. Okay, L dot copy. So now what we have in new L, you can see here 2393. So with the help of one list, I created a new list that is named new L. So with the help of copy function, you can create a new list. Okay. Now next function is reverse. Okay. What reverse function will do? Reverse function will reverse a string. Okay. Reverse function will reverse a string. Suppose a list and the next function is reverse. Okay. Just write here reverse. Suppose L is a list which has 2, 3 and 9. And I say L dot reverse. L dot reverse. Okay. So what we will get? Now the list L will be reversed. So we will have now 9, 3, 2. So my list has reversed. Okay. The next function is very simple functions. All the function in lists are very simple. So all these functions are ready-made, nothing to do. Only call the functions and use the function. These are the ready-made functions which is given by Python. Okay. Sort function. So it arranges the data in ascending order or in descending order. So you can arrange the data in ascending order as well as in increasing order or decreasing order में data को आप arrange कर सकते हैं. Suppose L equal to 2, 1, 5. So this is not a ordered list. Okay, 2, 1, 5 ascending, descending. Okay, so now I say L dot sort. Okay, so what this function will do? This function will arrange the data in ascending order. So the answer will be 1, 2 and 5. So this is data will be sorted in ascending order. If you want to arrange the data in descending order, so when you use the sort function, you must put one argument here, reverse equal to reverse equal to reverse equal to true. So you put one argument here, so you will see that automatically data is arranged in descending order, 5, 2 and then 1. Just see practically this thing. Okay, suppose I have L equal to 2 comma 1 comma 5. Okay, so L dot, what function I told you first? Yes, what function I told you first? I told you first reverse function. Okay, so just see the reverse function. L dot reverse, REVERSE dot reverse. Give the right spelling, otherwise it will give you the error. L dot reverse. So the string is reversed, 5, 1, 2. Now we have sort function. Okay, just see the sort function. Okay, now L dot sort. L dot sort. So it will arrange the data in ascending order. You just see. Okay, if you want to data in descending order, then nothing. Only you give one more argument here, reverse equal to true. reverse equal to true. Now see, data is arranged in descending order. So all these functions are ready made. You can use them very easily and you will get your answer. Okay. Now Python also provide one statement, del. This del statement is used to delete the element from a list. By using del function, you can delete a single element. We have pop function, we have remove function, but del is a statement. Del क्या है? एक statement. It is not a function. It is a statement. Okay. So it will remove a single element. It can remove multiple elements also. It can remove multiple elements. Okay. It can remove a part of the list by using slicing. Okay. The next is it can remove all the elements along with list. Okay. If you remove all along list, okay, सारे एलिमेंट्स और लिस्ट भी आपकी खत्म हो जाएगी, डाटाबेस में कोई लिस्ट उसके बाद नहीं रह जाएगी. ओके, जस्ट सी दिस बाय one example. Okay, just see. L equal to, suppose I make a big list 2, 5, 4, 9, 8. Okay. Now if I say del L, okay, so all the elements are deleted and list has also deleted. देखो लिस्ट भी डिलीट हो गई, इसलिए दूसरे एरर दे दिया कि ये लिस्ट अब अवेलेबल नहीं है. ओके, now again I create it, control C, again I create it and I say del which element I want to delete, del 1. Okay, del 1, so it will remove the first element. Okay, del 1. So how I will write here, del L 0. Okay, del L 0. How you will write here, list नाम देना है यहाँ पे. So I will write here del, the list name is L1. So the element at one index will removed. Okay, so you just see only one element at index 10 पे 2 था, one index पे 5 था, one index को मैंने remove कर दिया. Okay, now the next is we can remove multiple element also. So if I say del L and I say here 1 से लेके जाना है और 3 तक रिमूव करना है, 1 से चलेगा and 3 तक रिमूव करना है, so 1 and 2, first element and second element will be removed. Okay, so the item will be 2 and 8. So in this way we can remove one element, multiple element from a list. Okay, so these are some functions that I discussed with you. You can, if you have not seen my previous video, you can see my previous video to get the basics about list. Okay, thank you all.